Women who would like to lose weight in a fast, effective, and safe manner can now join the Yoga Burn program. The Yoga Burn program is one of the best programs that are available through any mobile devices, laptop, or desktops. It's a unique and effective program that follows a three-phase approach known as dynamic sequencing that helps in natural weight loss when it comes to losing weight and shaping your body. The Yoga Burn program teaches women to properly perform each and every movement in an effective manner until your body slowly adjusts to the routine regimen and starts feeling better. This program helps your body to transform itself into a feminine, shapely body that looks and feels better. You can also complete a bonus video lesson after this. The bonus video has been specially created to increase your confidence, mental, and physical well-being and also make you feel confident. This is a progressive yoga program that has been designed exclusively for women who would like to have shapely bodies at the minimum time. The Yoga Burn program has been formatted for women who would like to lose weight in a healthy and effective manner without any kind of side effects and the need of pills, powders, or weight-reducing medicine. You can get instant access to the Yoga Burn program DVD without having to pay for shipping. This program is unique and different from all other weight-burning programs and has been specifically built to meet the challenges of women who would like to lose weight, shape their bodies, and experience the amazing benefits of this program from the comfort of your home. The Weight Burn program has been designed to suit all kinds of women with different kinds of fitness levels, from amateurs to advanced levels. It teaches you various yoga poses, the easy ones at the beginning, and then slowly advancing to the difficult ones gradually. So stop thinking and start with the new Yoga Burn program today by clicking on the link below. You will love it.